In this video, I'm going to be installing the M4 slip-on exhaust on my 2019 Yamaha MT-09. What's up everybody, Travis here. So I finally got my M4 slip-on exhaust in the mail. Big thanks to Thomas at Biohazard Cycles for hooking me up with that at a great deal. So today I'm going to be installing that. I'm going to try to do my best to go through all the necessary steps to do it. So let's get started putting it on. So I'm going to start by loosening the 6 head bolts, 2 for each pipe. So let's get that done. Alright, so all those bolts are off. Now on to the next step. The next step is to loosen that bolt right in there, which is also a 12mm if I'm not mistaken. There's also one on the other side of the bike in the exact same location, I believe. But after I get those 2 bolts off, the entire exhaust system should be free and I should be able to pull it off the bike. So let's get those bolts loose. Well, I got those 2 bolts loose, so the next step is to try to get the exhaust off the bike. But before you do that, I forgot to take the sensor out, so let's go ahead and get that done. So I got the exhaust off the bike. I guess the next step is to go ahead and cut the big part off of it, so then the slip-on will slide on. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to make the cut right past this weld right here, but I'm gonna make sure that's right in the instructions before I do anything, but I'm pretty sure that's where it's supposed to be cut. So I'm gonna get the instructions out, take a look at those real quick, and then I'll probably get started cutting, and I'll be back once that's done. Alright, so I went ahead and got the exhaust cut. I got the head pipes bolted back up. Went ahead and made sure the M4 would slide on, and I went ahead and just bolted everything up. That's basically it. It just slips on the head pipe once you make the cut and get the big part off of it. Alright guys, so that was the install of the M4 slip-on exhaust on my 2019 MT-09. I think the exhaust sounds very good. I think it sounds awesome. Can't wait to ride, see what it sounds like, you know, going through the gears and whatnot. Also hope this video helps anybody that may be thinking about installing an M4 on their bike. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.